Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
The after effect of mechanical degree concerning thinking, arranging, and conceptualizing has been wonderful, especially for computerized monetary standards. The people who conform to the rapidly changing business area environment, create, and individuals who disregard to facilitate speed with the assessment, bite the dust. Comparative turns out true to form for a few unmistakable computerized monetary standards. One such name is Sushiswap. The continuous business area rank is number 128 on CoinMarketCap, making itself constantly trustworthy and open at cheaper, working on the liquidity to the monetary sponsor, Sushi. The neighborhood identification of Sushiswap, Sushi, has taken unique consideration of the consistent climb pursuit of the monetary supporters. The modernized aid cut by Sushi for its clients has set the power in the ownership of monetary supporters, expanding the liquidity potential. Before we plunge into the Sushiswap cost gauge, let us view a part of the fascinating components of Sushiswap. Sushiswap price prediction, following master's footsteps. Looking at the consistent upsurge in the expense of Sushiswap, it justifies perceiving how the worth blueprint of Sushiswap has performed over years. Individuals benefit from the blockchain-enabled valuable advantages. Sushiswap works with gains, but manufactures trust. Sushiswap's peace-engaged convenience as well as supports certainty, helping clients with building fortunes, conveying different decentralized app capacities as forces to be reckoned with in normally thought pioneers. Sushiswap price prediction 2022. Regardless, since the Sushi/USD cost rise with the development in trading volume, by and large keeping a low trading development may not be strong of Sushiswap, as new coins expense are essentially added to the stream, debilitating the stock. Seeing the 100% return as huge, there are pessimistic sentiments winning that lessen extra assumptions for cost increase, pushing Sushiswap to $8.50 beginning of the year 2022. The ordinary expense could reach at $8.80 in 1 year. Sushiswap price prediction 2023. The capacity of Sushiswap is furthermore energized by the strong assistance district introduced by regal Chinese finance managers. Being examined again and again, the expenses of Sushiswap have shown dynamism and change meanwhile. Once more thusly taking the experts' viewpoints, Sushi's team assumptions, and help from the ownership, the asset cost could flood due to cautious orchestrating philosophy being upward at $12 by 2023 end. Sushiswap, Sushi, price prediction 2024. A couple of experts moreover battle that the gathering of Sushiswap comes up short concerning a powerful association gorge which can be achieved as future results in somersaulting the entire chain of events for the token. An inspiring expense assumption guess for the later extended lengths of 2023 and 2025 shows that the worth difference in Sushi/USD is prepared for a shocking drip, posting an improvement speed of 1,325.589% inside the accompanying 5 years. The average expense will reach to $11.90 in the year 2024. Sushiswap, Sushi, price prediction 2025. Sushiswap particular assessment and Sushiswap gauge also show markets will stun its fans by fixing their future expense at $16.80 by 2025. Sushiswap price prediction 2026. While the critical upgrades have impacted the Sushiswap, Sushi, cost pushing them in a positive heading, the computerized currency market is apparently holding significantly more responsibility in the years to come. The principal hindrance in the technique for the thriving of Sushiswap computerized cash is immense reliability on decentralized applications at which the expenses are basically dependent upon feature improvement. The expense is expected to reach $17 in the long in the year 2026. Consequently, it is a right endeavor direction. According to the expert's own assessment, the Sushi yield showed up at 1,500% in 1 year. The need to get Sushi tokens to participate in the pool similarly stepped positive expense change close to the beginning of the second quarter of 2021. standing tall and firm around $3.53 of current expense with a market cap of $446,335,486.22. Sushi should be bullish till this year end. At the hour of forming the Sushiswap cost assumption, the surrounding supply sticks around 127,244,443 sushi, and the 24 hours cost change is basically 6.84%. Sushiswap, Sushi, unlocking the potential. Sushi being liquidity and the ownership of the monetary benefactor is done full value to. The entire groundwork of Sushi turns around liquidity and, surprisingly, more so when clients are not using Sushi, they can regardless benefit from the midway getting an appealing advantage. This part of Sushi beats any excess advantages of this crypto asset that makes sure to crown it as a jewel in the domain of electronic money related guidelines. Will Sushiswap coin cost reach $50? Exceptional or delicate improvement as per the transient Sushiswap cost assumptions, Sushi coin cost may be a distortion. Especially considering the way that in light of pandemic most of the computerized types of cash have gotten through a horrible shot. The comparable is substantial for Sushiswap too. In any case, the token has enormous expected, consequently the extension being developed is ideally expected. Now that the pandemic is withdrawing, it would continually be remarkable data for Sushi holders too, and it might be the most over-the-top expense. What are the Sushi reward programs? These are the best icings to be valued with Sushi. These awards make Sushi an engaging buy. Ordinarily, monetary patrons and vendors all around the planet get encouraged to place assets into the awesome potential outcomes related with it. Circled by various associations, Sushiswap in like manner becomes its base with unique measures. Client is ruler in Sushiswap's existence, and the stamping program's proposition to clients prizes and cash rewards through challenges also. I can't move my Sushi to exchange time, what to do? With Sushiswap you are ensured of exchange supporting the migration of Sushi tokens. Thusly no issue. You wouldn't encounter any incidents. Hold on for intermittent movements. Where to buy Sushiswap or sell and store Sushi? As such, Sushi token is available on completely respected crypto exchanges. As regards taking care of, the source is maintained by decentralized wallets. For instance, MetaMask and Wallet Connect are proposed. Wallets are the best ways of putting away, as they clearly get presented in your program in a matter of seconds and moreover license you the solace of trading easily and speedy withdrawal as well as the trading of resources into your record. Is the Sushi coin going up? As per the expense guesses, the ordinary expense should reach $10.10 in the year 2023. What number of Sushiswap coins are there? The Sushiswap cost today is $3.23.